traffic light app. So let's get started. A traffic light. Done. So now it opens. So now we go to screen and properties and device default, and title is traffic light. And now we drag one vertical arrangement and center horizontal, and align vertical is to top. Now height is fill parent and width is also fill parent. So now the background color will be none. And now let's drag one horizontal arrangement, and the height is 30%. No, 20 will be all right. Now the align horizontal is center 3 and align vertical is also center 2. Now background color is cyan and width is fill parent. So now we take one button in it. Now the text is stop. So now we go to font type space is serif, and background color is dark blue, and font bold. Font size you can do 16, and text color is to cyan. Now the shape of it is rounded. So now we duplicate it 2 times. So now we go to button 2, and button 2 text is set. And now the button 3 text is go. So now we drag one vertical arrangement. So we go to layout and drag one vertical arrangement, and now the height is fill parent and the width is like 20%. No, the width is like 40%. Now the background color is to dark gray. Now we drag one button in it, and we go to again vertical arrangement. Aligns horizontal is center 3 and center 2 both. So now the button 2 text is nothing. Height is like 30%. No, you can do 20%. Yes, you can do 20%. Font size is not font size you can do nothing or anything, and then height is 20%. Height is 20%, and width is 35%. 35%, and the shape is rectangular or oval. You can do oval is great. Now we duplicate it 2 times. Now we go to blocks. So when button 1 is click, we go to button 4. And set button 4 background color to. We go to colors, and now we drag red in it. Now we duplicate it 2 times and set button 5 and button 6. And now the background color will be gray, so you can choose this and this. So now we duplicate the block again, and now button 2, then we duplicate it and that, and we will set button 5 color to orange. So I choose this orange and then again duplicate it and then change the color to the default color, and then the buttons, when button 3 click, set button 2 dot background color to, let's do like green, and then the we can like we will now check the app, so let's check it. So now I've connected it. So if I click on stop, the button 1 is red, and if I click on set, the button 2 is the middle light is yellow or orange, you can think, and if I click on green go, then the last button is green. So if I click on stop, red, so it is like a traffic signal. So let's check it. Set, stop, set, go. So it is very playful. So thank you. Please subscribe, share and like the video. Thank you.